What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Fuck no, that shit had way too much energy.
Say the intro, say the intro. Give me a sample. Give me a sample of what the intro.
Now you put me on the camera, I'm not gonna say anything now.
Just say it once. I won't put it in the video. I just want to have it as a reference.
Hey, it's your boy Weezer coming at you with another video.
Okay. So you want me to do that kind of energy is what you're telling me?
Yeah, and then just install like whatever.
Okay. I got you.
Welcome back to another video. Before I start this video, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to absolutely everyone who is a new subscriber. If y'all don't know me, I'm Mr. Weezer, as they tell me on the interwebs, or the internet, however you want to call it. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly about having hashtag stance. So stay tuned. We have a 22x12 with a -44 offset wheel. The tires are 35-inch Radar Renegade all-terrain tires. I didn't want to go mud boggers because I've seen the results of mud boggers, and as you can see, these are the results of the all-terrain. So the reason I went with this tire is simply because I drive my truck absolutely every single day, and I know with mud boggers how much annoying noise they make while like just cruising up and down the streets. The reason I went with these tires, this tire setup, is because I love the stance it gave the truck. I had to go through a lot of custom offsets like pages and see everybody else's what they were doing. What I saw that a lot of people would like, especially for Ram, the style was very common. It was either fuel, what's that other one, American Forces or Moto Metal, and those were like the three companies. They're literally all the same wheels, and so I kind of wanted to take a different route. Just like with the whole truck, I don't want to look like the other truck, which is the most basic, simple white truck, lifted chrome wheels like that. I don't want to go so basic. So pretty much I looked around, I asked a couple companies to see if they were local, and Force Offroad Wheels are local to me. They're from the Central Valley, so I knew they were definitely my go-to wheel manufacturer. When I got these wheels, I knew going into it that they were a small company and they don't have the big name of like an American Force where your quality has to be at like the highest. They're very small, and so I knew that. And currently I'm suffering for it because I noticed that the wheel started to rust, and like there's parts that are like chipping off, which I tried contacting them. They have not responded to me. So if anybody from Force Offroad Wheels can contact me, I want to get these fixed because I love absolutely the design of this wheel, but I hate the fact that what's happening to them. So please hit me up. I'm still able to tow and still have a very nice stance. The only thing that like for the very first time this year, well, it wasn't even raining, I just went to the landfill and they had just sprayed water on the dirt, and that's what caused all this mud. My detailer has not cleaned the truck, so it's been muddy for like a week now. So yes, the tires do pick up a lot of dirt and mud and rocks especially, and that's something I hate. That's the reason I wrapped the truck immediately, because I knew I was gonna like pay the price for having stance, because these tires just pick up so much rocks. The ugly part about these wheels is that you have to cut into your truck, and especially if it's like mine, a brand new 2019 Ram 2500. It hurts. It hurts. I had to cut into the metal. Here's a little clip of like pretty much how close it is from my turning radius. My turning radius is now gone because these tires touch. Well, I cut it out. I cut out the metal part. Right now, only the fender liner I haven't cut out because I kind of like to keep it there, because it's kind of like a warning. It's like, yo, you're rubbing already. Because if I take off the fender liner black part and just leave the body, like the metal part of the body, and I hit a bump, my fender or just any part down there is gonna mess up, and especially my wrap is gonna mess up down there. So that's why I haven't taken off. I haven't cut out the black fender liner, but I know if I take out the black fender liner part that should be taken off, I know I can have more of a turning radius, but I kind of like it there. But yeah, that's the one thing I'm paying the price for. I have absolutely no more turning radius anymore. So it looks nice, but yeah, you suffer from turning radius anitis. You can't do a U-turn absolutely anywhere.
Turn radius anitis? I just
Yes.
thought of that.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.